Am I a YouTuber? And see how it sits.
Here we go!
Wow, that tea was hot. Burnt me hand and me mouth. Bit of a weird one today. It's sunny, but it's cold. I'm pumped, but I'm tired. It's like I'm singing an Alanis Morissette song or something, isn't it? Bit hard to rattle off in a sentence that like Alanis Morissette song. Alanis Morissette song. Right. Spring situation. Coil spring. We're going to try and fit a spring to the front today. Let's see which one will fit up nicely. The Mark III Focus rear spring or the Corsa B front spring. If you don't know why I've got lots of coil springs, go and watch a previous video. Yeah, a bit of a funny one today. Looks sunny, but it's pretty cold. When I pick up the dog poop in the garden after the dog had a poop this morning, and you know when you pick it up and it's frozen, I mean like feels frozen through the bag. I didn't bare hand the poop or anything like that. But you know when you pick it up and it's like frozen, it's easy to pick up. It's the little things in life. Nope. Yep. Mark where I want to put the compressors on these compared to where it sits on the arm, because it sits funny. And I've got a adapter on the power ratchet so I can use the socket on it for the spring compressors. So let's see if we can compress these mothers up enough. Should have charged this up, eh? Right, gonna have to sacrifice something. There's the front. Had to modify the spring compressor there as well because the torsion bar wouldn't go through. It was a nightmare to try and roll it around. I've got loads of compressors sitting around somewhere. But I know because of the flat top thing, it's not going to sit right in there. But I was going to see how it sits and maybe modify it if they actually work, because it seems to be sitting nice on the bottom bit, but I know about the flap it on the top. Or I was going to try and make some sort of insulator to make that sit flat there. But let's see if we can button it up and see how it sits. Right, rolling on into another day. Check this out. I've managed to get a spring compressor stuck in there. That's lodged up in there, so I can't even get in the head to turn it. But anyway, this isn't going to work. The spring is pressed hard up against there, so that's not going to work. When you lower it, it's going to smash the springs back over, and that's seated where it's meant to be seated. Well, it's not flat topped, is it? But ah well, you don't know until you know, do you? I love using angle grinders next to fuel lines. It makes me feel alive! Join me in future videos when I'm welding next to the fuel tank and smoking a cigar while I adjust the carburetor. Ah well, complete fail, but you don't know until you know. On which other YouTube channel are you going to find out that rear focus lowering springs don't fit a Vauxhall Viva HC, yeah? On which other channel, eh? Go on, I'll wait. Come on. Anyway, let's take a break from that and go and steal something off my other Viva. Borrow something off my other Viva. She will get it back. Don't need much. Take a ratchet, extend extension, this little extension, and small can of werewolf deodorant because I've run out of my plus gas. I have got a can of bulldog around here somewhere as well. I don't know where it is. As you know, the garage is a bit of a mess. Well, I've started tidying. Look, again, kind of tidying. What else? Right. 9/16 socket, wire brush, newish wire brush. Do you like me professional tool bag, by the way? Oh, and forgot, yous are coming with us as well on yous. There we go. Right, onward.
I think.
Springs in like a... Yeah, same ones. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
WD on it.
I'm going to put some more on, yeah.
What the power bar?
Oh no, you'll be alright though. You ready? Alright. After all that effort of getting it out, got this one out. There's a bit of a droop on it. Oh well, it came off that way, maybe it'll go back on. It seemed like someone had custom lowered the green Viva back in the day at some point. Well, apparently there was a Cosworth engine meant to be going in it. But it looked like someone had cut a few coils on the back springs. I don't know how they got it to sit, but they were wound up tight. I couldn't even get this out when after I took the bolt out, what to prise the springs apart. So that isn't going to work. So this is coming out. I'm popping the original spring back in for now. But also I think I want to take the shock out. I want to take the top shock mount out. That a few people have said is a nightmare and normally snaps. So stay tuned. Yeah, I'm going to take the shock out because it was a right fanny on trying to get the bolt out from the shock plates at the bottom when I initially took the spring out. So I think it's best if I get the top of the shocker out. Right, this is under tension because the compressors aren't in. There's a one on the back but the feet aren't in it. It's loose. It's just jammed in there. So let's let it down gently and see what happens. And the ball joint stuck in. And it's out now. Right, I've got the shock out now. It was a bit of a nightmare to get out because of the rust on that bolt. It was stuck well in the bushing. But it's out now. I'll make sure I give that a good clean up before it goes back in. Got a bit of pink eye. Got WD-40 in my eye. I haven't been smoking weed or anything like that. I cannot find my safety glasses anywhere. Well, I hope that wasn't too boring for you. Didn't seem like there was a lot going on in that video. Join me next time on Will the Coil Spring Fit? I've been your host, Steve. Well, I did a lot of rolling about on the floor trying to get a coil spring to fit. But I can imagine that wouldn't make for very good entertainment. Someone rolling about on the floor. I've got some things on the way in the post, and I think they'll be here for the next video, if anyone's still watching by then. Am I a YouTuber? I'm not a YouTuber yet, am I? I'm just mucking about on my own car. I haven't started buying cars for content yet. I kind of refrain from saying YouTuber. It's a bit like I kind of refrain from saying guys as well. I never wanted to say YouTuber or hey guys or peace out at the end of the video. Peace out. Anyway, hope you all found it entertaining, guys. Thank you all very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.
Behind your frozen eyes, skies are hidden laughter. Make me feel just one more thing than and even though that I despise the thing you're after, realize you're something more than and it's alright, yeah it's alright now, 'cause it's alright now. And my unselfish lies, they try to live after and take a breath from something more than I put you to the test. I sacrifice my feelings for peace inside my mind. I live for rest. And it's alright, and it's alright now. And it's alright now. Heads down, I lead you by the wayside. Don't think twice for me this time. Look for the bridge over the river as I